Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to my channel Aptitude Club. In this video, we are taking up this important question on polynomials. As you can see, this was a previous CAT question from CAT 2008. Quadratic polynomials is one area we have seen frequently questions have been asked from. Very interesting, and a lot of good questions have been asked in the past from this area. So very important as far as the topic is concerned, its relevance in terms of CAT and number of questions that can be asked, and the sheer variety of questions that can be incorporated in this chapter. So that makes it a very important topic as far as all aspirants are concerned. So before we begin, again I'll ask you to pause at this moment, try this question yourself first, and then look at the explanation. So what is given? Kind of simple question, and this is a standard process of solving such questions. First, we have been given f of x is a quadratic polynomial given in its standard form ax square plus bx plus c. It is known that f of 5 is minus 3 f of 2. Let's straight away get into this condition. Minus 3 f of 2. F of 5 means the value of the polynomial when you substitute x as 5. So it is a into 5 square plus b into 5 plus c is minus 3 times when you substitute x as 2, f of 2. So a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus c. If I solve this now, 25a plus 5b plus c is minus 12a minus 12a. This is 2, 3 minus 6b minus 3c. Or if I rearrange the terms, I get 37a plus 11b plus 4c is equal to 0. Let this be equation 1. Okay, let this be equation 1. Now we see in this equation we have three variables a, b and c. Now, as of now, let's say you have no idea how to solve this question. What is the question asking? It is asking what is the second root of the equation. Now the moment you read this, what kind of a thought process goes on in your mind? We know in case of a quadratic polynomial, sum of roots, let us say alpha plus beta, it is minus b by a. One of the roots is already given, so if I can figure out what is the sum, maybe I'll be able to tell what the second root is. That is one way. Also, I know product of roots alpha into beta, it is c by a. So if I can figure out two roots, maybe I'll get the product, and from there I can get what is c and what is a, something or the other. So we need something related to roots now. Now it is told that 3 is a root of the polynomial. So if 3 is a root of the polynomial, x is equal to 3 is a root of the polynomial. If that is a root, this implies f of 3 must be 0. The definition of root is that only, that when you put that value in the polynomial, it yields 0. So if f of 3 is 0, a into 3 square plus 3 into b plus c is equal to 0, or I get 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 0. Let this be equation 2. Basically, I have got two equations now, but I have three variables a, b, c, and here I can see again a, b, c. So three variables and two equations is not possible to solve. But if I eliminate one variable, let's see what I get. So let us say I want to eliminate c because that is more convenient. 4c, 4c. So I'll do this equation 1 minus 4 times equation 2. So I get 37a plus 11b plus 4c is equal to 0. And 4 times equation 2, that means 9a into 4. I get 36a plus 12b plus 4c is equal to 0. Straight away multiply 4 to this equation. And then what you do is you subtract these two equations. So c gets cancelled out and I basically get a minus b is equal to 0, which gives me a is equal to b. Now this is a very important conclusion. A equal to b. Now let me take it in this way. Let the other root, we have two roots for the polynomial. Let the other root be alpha. Now sum of roots is alpha plus one of the roots is 3. So sum of roots is alpha plus 3, which is minus b by a. Now because b is equal to a, as b is equal to a, I can write alpha plus 3 is equal to minus 1. So this gives me alpha as minus 4, which is the first part of the answer. This is the second root. Second root of the polynomial, first part of the answer. Similarly, if I look at the product of roots is 3 into minus 4, which is basically c by a, or I get c is equal to minus 12a. Now we have been asked to find the value of a plus b plus c as well. So how much will be a plus b plus c? B, in place of b I can write a because a is equal to b, and in place of c I will write minus 12a. So the answer is minus 10 times a. That means you cannot have a unique answer because it will depend on the value of a. The way you are taking a, similarly you will get values of minus 10a. So the answer to this should be cannot be determined uniquely. Because we don't have sufficient information to calculate this uniquely. So this part will be like this, but the other root is minus 4. Very standard basic question. The tricky part of this question was this part. Equation 1 minus 4 times equation 2. This gives you a unique arrangement where c gets cancelled out and you are only left with a and b, and you get that relation that okay, a is equal to b. And from there you can find out. You can eliminate some other variable and maybe solve from product of roots, and from that side you can also solve. CAT 2008 question. This was on polynomials. This year we had 2 more questions on polynomials, very good questions. I'll take it up in the subsequent videos, but I hope all of you understood the explanation of this particular question. Very important for all of you who are studying quadratic polynomials for the CAT exam. Hope all of you understood the explanation of this short video, but I hope this will be useful to you on your CAT preparation. If you have watched it this far, do subscribe to my channel for more such content and explore the previous videos that I have done on the channel. I'll pin it in the I section, the entire playlist of QA Booster series. So in this booster playlist, I'll take up one question in every video, and you can watch those important questions to enhance your understanding of concepts on each area. So we'll meet again very soon on yet another video. Till then, keep solving, keep studying, and thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.